Co-pilot is Kandana and crew member is Indrani. That is me. Over to you, Sonal.
Thanks, Indrani. Good afternoon, guest. I hope you all are doing well. So, fasten your seat belts. We'll be taking you to Vietnam. So, this is the map of Vietnam. So, Vietnam is a long, narrow nation shaped like the letter S. As you can see in the picture displayed on the screen, the shape of this country is like letter S. It is in Southeast Asia on the eastern edge of the peninsula known as Indochina. Its neighbor include China to the north and Laos and Cambodia to the west. The South China Sea lies to the east and south, and it is at its narrowest point. Vietnam is only 30 miles wide. Two of Vietnam's largest rivers are Mekong in the south and the Red in the north, and at the South China Sea in huge swampy plains called deltas. Let's know about the geography of this country. So Vietnam is located on the eastern margin of the Indo-Chinese Peninsula and occupies about 331,211 square kilometers, of which about 25% was under cultivation in 1987. It borders the Gulf of Tonkin, Gulf of Thailand, and Pacific Ocean, along with China, Laos, and Cambodia. The elongated, roughly S-shaped country has a north to south distance of 1,650 kilometers and is about 50 kilometers wide at the narrowest point, as discussed. With a coastline of 3,260 kilometers, excluding islands, Vietnam claims 12 nautical miles at the limit of its territorial waters, an additional 12 nautical miles as a contiguous customs and security zone. It has an exclusive economic zone of 4,17,663 kilometers square with 200 nautical miles. Now, proceeding towards the national flag of Vietnam. So, flag of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam, or red flag with a golden star, also flag of fatherland, was designed in 1940 during an uprising against the French in southern Vietnam that year. The red background symbolizes bloodshed, revolution, and struggle. The yellow star represents the five main classes of Vietnamese society: workers, peasants, soldiers, intellectuals, and businessmen. The national emblem of the country. It is a circular, has a red background and a yellow star in the middle, which represent the five main classes in Vietnam society, which was discussed in the national flag. And the revolutionary history and bright future of Vietnam. The cog and crops represent the corporation of agriculture and industrial labor. So here you can see. Let's talk about the capital of the country. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam. The city is situated in northern Vietnam on the western bank of the Red River, which is about 85 miles inland from the South China Sea. In addition to being the national capital, Hanoi is also a province-level municipality administered by the central government. The currency. Vietnamese dong is the official currency in Vietnam, and the value of one Vietnamese dong in Indian rupee is approximately 0.5. So one Vietnamese dong holds a value of 0.5 INR. The airlines of Vietnam. The first is Bamboo Airways. Second is Haiao Aviation. Third is Pacific Airlines. Fourth is Vietjet Air. Fifth is Vietnam Airlines. And sixth is Viet Travel Airlines. Now, We'll have a video here.
Hãng hàng không quốc gia Việt Nam xin mời những hành khách trên chuyến bay mang tên Sải cánh Vương Cam với cửa số 1 để khởi hành.
Ma'am, can I show you something? Ma'am, can I show you something?
Yes, Nisa.
See, ma'am, I was making this before the class. Nisha, can you show me one more second?
Now let's talk about the economy of Vietnam. So the economy of Vietnam is a socialist oriented market economy, which is the 36th largest in the world as measured by nominal gross domestic product, and the third largest in the world as measured by purchasing power parity. Vietnam is a member of Asia Pacific Economic Corporation, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and the World Trade Organization. Since the mid 1980s, through the Doi Moi reform period, Vietnam has made a shift from a highly centralized command economy to a mixed economy that uses both directive and indicative planning through 5-year plans with support from an open market-based economy. Vietnamese culture is one of the oldest culture in the world, which has undergone changes almost 4,000 of years. Some people said Vietnam culture has influence from Chinese culture, but there is a study shows culture of Vietnam has its own characters and has a parallel development to Chinese culture. Along the history of Vietnam, from the dynasty of Trieu, Dinh, Lai, Tran, and Le, in the pretty much same time with Chinese dynasty of Han, Duong, Tong, and Yuan. The ethnic groups in Vietnam. Vietnam is a multi-ethnic country with over 50 distinct groups, 54 totally. Each of them has its own language, lifestyle, and cultural heritage. Many of the local ethnic groups residing in mountain areas are known collectively in the West as Montagnard or Digar. The social beliefs and customs in Vietnam. So family is very strong in Vietnam. Family and clan are valued over individualism. Individualism. Clan is the most important social unit in the country. There's a patriarch heading the clan and a clan altar. Even today, in some parts of the country, the tradition of clan members living together in long houses is quite prevalent. It is also not uncommon to see 3 to 4 generations of a family living together in the same house. Members of a clan are related by blood and often name their villages based on their clan names. Death commemorations of clan members are usually attended by all members of the clan and villagers. So basically, they live in joint family. The Vietnamese cuisine. Vietnamese food is fresh and healthy and getting more and more popular all over the world. It exhibits great diversity but can be classified into 3 primary categories by location: the north, south, and central regions of the country. Many types of noodles and noodle soups and all type of spring rolls are popular here. Less use of oil and greater use of fresh vegetables is preferred. Soy sauce, fish sauce, mint, and basil are popular ingredients. Rice is the main food and eaten in 3 meals a day. The flavors of Vietnamese food range from spicy and sour to sweet. The noodle soup originating in North Vietnam is a noted Vietnamese dish and features rice noodles with beef, chicken, fish, seafood, soup, and scallions or bean sprouts as accompaniments, like they are complement. Vietnamese music and dance. Vietnam is associated with a rich tradition of dance and music. Vietnamese music also exhibits variants in each part of Vietnam. It is older and more formal in the north, while Champa culture exerts considerable influence on central classic music, and music in the southern part of the country is a livelier affair. The country has nearly 50 national music instruments. The imperial court music and the katru are important traditional forms of Vietnamese music. Let's know about the places to visit in Vietnam. First is Halong Bay. The karst seascape of Halong Bay is one of the world's most spellbinding sea views and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thousands of, yes,
Ma'am, which is this place?
this place is Halong Bay.
Is this a big sea and with the and are these hills inside the
It's island, Nissa.
okay.
There are so many islands there.
Yes, they are made of limestone. They are thousands of limestone islands sit within this bay in the Gulf of Tonkin, eroded into jagged pinnacles by wind and water action over millennia. With the bay scenery best seen by boat, this is prime cruising territory. Opt for at least an overnight tour to see Halong Bay's iconic views, as a day trip doesn't do it justice. So you need to see this view at night, which is more preferred because it looks more beautiful during the night time. Ho Chi Minh City. For big city fans, no visit to Vietnam is really complete without a visit to Ho Chi Minh City, the buzzing and crazy commercial hub of the country. The streets are an insane clog of motorbikes and cars. The restaurant and cafe scene is incredibly cosmopolitan, and the shopping is the best in the country. Third is Hue, one of Vietnam's most historic towns. Hue is packed to the brim with relics from the reign of the 19th century. Yuan emperors sitting along the banks of the gorgeous perfumed river
How to pronounce this name?
Hue. It's Hue. The imperial enclosure is a huge site set within walls that sprawl for 2.5 kilometers. Next is Phong Nha Ke Bang National Park. One of the best places to visit in Vietnam for caving, World Heritage listed Phong Nha Ke Bang National Park is a dramatic karst mountain formation honeycombed with huge caverns which are home to superb stalactite and stalagmite displays. The most popular destination within the park is the Paradise Cave, which extends for a staggering 31 kilometers below ground. Next is Sapa countryside. The verdant rice field countryside surrounding Sapa, bordered by the jagged peaks of the Hoang Lier Mountains, are home to Vietnam's most beautiful rural vistas. The deep valleys here are home to a diverse mix of the country's ethnic minorities, including the Hmong, Ye, and Red Zhao people, while the rippling hills are terraced with rice fields and overlooked by the country's tallest peak, Phan Pin Mountain. So you must have heard of steppe farming. This is known as steppe farming. So they here cultivate, grow rice. Next is Nha Trang. For sandy fun in Vietnam, Nha Trang is king. The well-maintained beach straddles for 6 kilometers along the shoreline of central Nha Trang city, and during summer is jam-packed with local families on vacation as well as foreign visitors. There's excellent swimming here with designated swimming areas and manicured lounging areas that make this a great option for relaxing days, soaking up the sun and sand. Now we'll see a video for more places to visit in Vietnam.
So we are
Can I show you something?
ending our virtual world tour with you. Yeah, sure. Sure, Nessa.
Ma'am, see, today I made this gift for the class.
Wow. Can you explain it?
Yes, ma'am. This is the what is everything in Europe now, like that wheel, that spin, a small house here, and then here a cow is eating the grass, one nest here, and up a squirrel's hole, and then here are hills, and the river is floating down from here, and here is a flamingo, and here is a tree.
Oh, wow.
Ma'am,
So you are a nature lover. Right, Nessa?
I like the tour, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So for your certificate, I will post one link today in the group, and the link contains some questions and you have to answer that questions. Like you have to copy paste in my WhatsApp. I will provide you my WhatsApp number, and also you have to send your pictures personally to me with your name. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I tell a fact about Vietnam?
Yeah, sure. But
Yes, ma'am.
on 15, I have one more announcement for you. On 15, we have virtual tour ceremony for you. You will get your certificates of your tour. Also, we have one surprise for you.
Ma'am, we love surprises.
Okay?
Ma'am, can I start telling my fact?
Yeah, sure. Proceed.
Yes, ma'am. Vietnam food is considered to be one of the healthiest food in the world. Vietnam's food mostly contains fresh vegetables, fish, seafood, and rice, ma'am. Vietnam food are blended with Chinese and Thai food. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Shubhanita.
So, ma'am, we need to come on 15th of July
yeah, I will share you the link.
in the
And-
chat box.
Yes.
Are you sending it in the chat box?
No, I will send it in the WhatsApp group. We have a WhatsApp group, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In that only, I will send that link of question answer. So
Ma'am,
the
you
questions
told-
related to the countries that we have already visited. Write your answer in WordPad and paste it to me with your name.
Ma'am, the question will be
Related to the countries that we already have visited.
okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Now I can tell the facts.
Sure, Snehita.
The capital is Hanoi. The currency is Vietnam strong. The national flavor is lotus. The national animal is water buffalo.
Great, Snehita. Thank you. So I have one more announcement for you. Yes, somebody is saying something. Okay, so I have one more announcement for you that we have one more event of airport amusement park and zoo tour. So on Monday, we are going to end that event also. So I would like to invite you on that event so that you can have an idea of it. And if you enjoyed that tour, we can organize one more tour with you. Is it okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shubhanita?
actually, you told one surprise gift, no, ma'am, that you will conduct on Monday.
No. On Monday, I will share you one link of amusement park and zoo tour.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So if you are free that time, you can join our tour with us.
Ma'am, it is live.
Yes, it is like this only. We show different airports, amusement park and zoo of different countries.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So anything more you want to share? How you enjoyed this session?
So much.
Yes, Nehita?
Ma'am, I'm missing the tour so much.
Okay, we will miss you too. So can you all please switch on your video?
Ma'am, I sent something in the chat box.
Okay.
Nisha, you sent it me privately.
So you please switch on your video. Everybody.
Rishita, can we see your face too? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep, done. Thank you.
Okay, so you want to share anything? How was the tour?
It was nice, ma'am. Ma'am, I will always miss you. Thank you for letting me know about each country.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I will always miss you. And this
My
class,
also
thank you
this
for
class.
letting me know
class very much.
every
Yes, Shubhanika?
country in the world.
Ma'am, I miss the world tour, and from this I have been learned from countries, ma'am, which I do not know.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, Indrani ma'am, can you check the chat box?
Yeah, sure, Nisha. Thank you, Nessa. We will miss you all.
Ma'am, I will for sure join that class, that another class which she will take us to the Zoom,
Yes.
to the zoo and everything.
So that's all about our world tour. Take care, everybody. And have
Bye,
a
ma'am.
great
Thank you,
evening.
ma'am. Take care.
Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Sunita. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Indrani ma'am.
Bye, Nessa.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Nessa. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, should I leave?